Hello and welcome to our video on Celebrity Anti-Aging Secrets, Tips to Stop Anti-Aging Naturally. Aging is a natural process that everyone goes through, but it's possible to slow it down naturally. Today, we'll be sharing some tips from celebrities who have found ways to keep their skin looking youthful and radiant. Tip number 1. Hydration is key. Celebrities know that staying hydrated is crucial for youthful skin. Adequate hydration keeps the skin plump and prevents wrinkles from forming. Some celebrities carry around a water bottle with them at all times to ensure they're getting enough fluids throughout the day. Drinking water is not only beneficial for the skin but also for the overall health of the body. Tip number 2. Eat a balanced diet. Another tip for stopping anti-aging naturally is to eat a balanced diet. Celebrities are known to follow a healthy diet that's rich in vitamins and antioxidants. Foods like berries, leafy greens, and nuts are packed with nutrients that are essential for maintaining healthy skin. Additionally, celebrities avoid processed foods, which are known to cause inflammation and accelerate aging. Tip number 3. Protect your skin from the sun. Sun damage is one of the biggest contributors to premature aging. Celebrities are often seen wearing hats, sunglasses, and protective clothing to shield their skin from the sun's harmful rays. They also use sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher daily. Protecting your skin from the sun not only prevents wrinkles and age spots but also lowers the risk of skin cancer. Tip number 4. Exercise regularly. Exercise is not only great for the body but also for the skin. Regular exercise improves blood flow, which delivers essential nutrients and oxygen to the skin. It also reduces stress, which is a known contributor to aging. Celebrities like Jennifer Aniston and Gwyneth Paltrow swear by yoga, which helps them stay toned and relaxed. Tip number 5. Get enough sleep. Sleep is essential for the body to repair and rejuvenate. Lack of sleep can cause dark circles, fine lines, and wrinkles. Celebrities like Jennifer Lopez and Kim Kardashian make sure to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. They also avoid using electronic devices before bed, which can interfere with sleep quality. In conclusion, celebrities have access to the best skincare products and treatments, but they also follow natural anti-aging tips that anyone can adopt. Staying hydrated, eating a balanced diet, protecting your skin from the sun, exercising regularly, and getting enough sleep are simple yet effective ways to stop anti-aging naturally. We hope these tips help you maintain youthful, healthy skin for years to come. Thanks for watching.